Facing allegations of mismanagement, trustees of Sri Sathya Sai Baba Trust held a news conference today claiming that they will now file their IT returns amounting to almost 10 crore rupees and that everything was absolutely above board. Anthony now joins us on the phone line for more on this. Anthony, this press conference by Srinivasan, trust member, coming after an ultimatum was given yesterday by the Andhra Pradesh government asking for the details of their revenues and assets. How do you look at the kind of clarification that has been issued by the trustee?
Well, Mr. Srinivasan is giving clarification on where the money has come from, the 35 lakh rupees that was caught at the borders of Andhra Pradesh. In fact, he claims that this money was given by some of the devotees, and this was being sent to some of the construction company where some of the work was being planned. In fact, that was the 35 lakhs that was being transported. When we asked why it was sent late in the evening, he said it was just sent so that it can reach as early as possible. Now, on the Isaac Tigrit issue, where there were claims of him being the living will, he said that they are open to the idea if Mr. Isaac Tigrit is willing to speak to the trust, but it completely depends on what the trust thinks of what the instructions are. It's only based on that any decision will be taken. And he completely denied all allegations that there are differences among trust members, and if for that matter there are any trust members that are having a difference of opinion, especially in terms of the 35 lakhs rupees of cash that was moved out of the Puttaparthi area. They also claim that there will be more transparency in future, and they say they will be putting out documents related to the trust, especially documents related to the financial aspects of the trust out in the open. Now, the other question relating to whether they would be okay with the government having a supervisory role over their activities. They clearly mentioned that if the government is going to do something like that, they would not have a problem of sorts.
All right, Anthony, thanks for that. But let's listen in now to what Trustee Srinivasan had to say on the whole controversy surrounding the assets of the trust.
Bhagwan has made enough provision for us to continue all the institutions. We don't have to go do anything. Bhagwan has done everything already. We have to only manage it properly. We are not worried next month's salary how we are going to pay. Bhagwan has created provision for that. So definitely all activities in the Puttaparthi, the hospitals, the university, the school are all going to continue without any disruption. No stoppage, nothing, everything will continue. Whether it is Puttaparthi or Bangalore or any other place where Sathya Sai Central Trust activities are there, they will certainly be carried out. You had also asked, you said that about who are going to be the future trustees. See, definitely our idea is that the people on whom Bhagwan has put so much love and affection, they have to be gradually given more and more positions of responsibility. But if you say why you don't make them trustees today, I think you have to understand that. But certainly I can assure you that we want to make sure that I'm grateful to you for saying something that of our caliber and all. It's very nice of you to say that. But we want to ensure that as this trust has been set up by Bhagwan, the people who are going to be the trustees are of a caliber which Bhagwan would have approved. This is our first test. Would Bhagwan have approved such a person? That is going to be our main guideline for selection of trustees. And certainly we want to give more and more role to the students. We are now giving them, individual projects. I can tell you, for example, I may share with you that the preparation of the annual report about which my brother has spoken, we have entrusted to a task force consisting mostly of the alumni and the students of the university. Professor Anantaraman is aware of this, that we are now wanting the students to prepare, not that we want to say, so let them prepare. We will only just guide how it is to be done. So that similarly now for task forces for various actions, as I mentioned, that we are going to have some high-tech equipment for making life more convenient in the hospitals, in the ashram. We are entrusting this responsibility to our students to start looking at quotations, to select the equipment, then to prepare a report for the board of management of the trust so that the trust can take decisions. So I want to assure you all activities will continue. The caliber of the trustees would be in future also of people who would have been approved by Bhagwan, and definitely there will be more and more role for the students on this.